Hey everyone, this is Kirk with an easy way to trade. Guys, as you know, we are partnered with Uncle Lee and Uncle Lee's ULFXSystems. So really quick, I wanted to make this video to show you everything that comes with your membership for $150 a month. The signals package alone from our chart master Eric B will cover that, guys. Over 1,000 potential pips every single month for the past 8 months. But again, I want to show you everything that comes with your package. Now, this is right here. This is Hakan and Uncle Lee's candlestick trading signals, guys. This is the actual signal that'll come when you, with the chart that you just saw. When you see that all those things line up, you'll get a trade signal. So like right here, NZD/JPY, potential buy. The last bar price it is, the spread, the time frames from H4 all the way down to M5 means that, you know, that the signals are in confluence. So that means that red bar that you saw at the top, remember we had the red arrows in the red, that means from the H4 all the way down to the M5 was all red. You're trading on the M5 time frame, this is the broker time, and that's the actual signal strength, 77.1%. So you're getting these signals all day long, guys. Another one, ABNZD, the potential sell. The sell strength, 75%. We got it configured to send you a signal whenever the strength is above 68%. 68%. So that means GBP CAD has a potential buy. Signal strength at that current candle is 68.6% buy strength, guys. This is and again, here's the spread. So when you see that, you take that trade. You go look at that chart. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't. You don't actually go take the trade. You go look at that signal and see to make sure everything lines up. But these are potentially very good, strong signals. The stronger the signal, the better the actual trade should be, right? So if you got a sell strength of 80% right here on EUR GBP potential sell, go look at it. That price was probably really falling. So you can actually limit yourselves to which ones you want to take. The lowest again is 68%. But you might say, but I'm only looking for trades that are 80% signal strength or 70% signal strength. It's up to you. But we get these trades all day long. So this is money right here, guys. This is potential money. This comes along with your package. So look at the top where it's all red arrows down and the red above it. That means a strong sell. Now look at the signal meter on the right hand side in the black and white where it says sell is 81%. See, that would trigger a trade idea in the Telegram group that I just showed you. That would have a trade idea come in. It would have that sell right there showing you the strength. Now look at the profit already on that sell. So as you can see with these confluence trades, the profits just stack up. All red is a sell, and then we're going to show you one for all buy coming up next. Now look at GJ here at top, all blue, all arrows pointing up. The blue at the top, that means a strong buy. Look at the trade, a strong buy. And GJ right now, I think the buy signal is 81%. Again, this would trigger a trade in the Telegram group. You would get this trade in the Telegram group. And look at that strong buy. You set your stop loss and take profit based on how much you want to make with that trade and how long the signal stays strong like that. You stay in that trade. Very easy, guys. Now we'll give you a quick look at our Discord group with Chartmaster Eric B. This is the charts, the signals group right here, guys. So this is our signals group. Now you'll be getting signals from this trade, from this right here. Now, if we were to go just this past week, 6 wins, 2 losses, done for the week. Have a great weekend, guys. So let's give you an idea. See, we'll mark the chart up first. We'll put the trade ID in first based on our rejections, right? So this is our buy right here, right? 20 pip take profit, but the trade may go even farther. So we count 20 pips as a win, right? If it goes 19 pips and reverses hit stop loss, we count it as a loss. It has to go 20 pips to count as a win. A lot of companies out there, if it goes 3 to 4 pips, they're like, if it's blue, it's on you, you know, right? If it's blue, it's on you. No, 20 pips for our trades has to go 20 or we count it as a loss. So again, we mark it up first, then we come back after the trade hits. Trade went up, did what we said, went up 20 pips, and it's reversing now. You can still be holding this trade for it to come back down and bounce up, could potentially go up higher. We don't know, but 20 pips is a win. So let's take a look. This is this week right here, yesterday, right here at 10:32 in the morning, right? So April 28th. So if we just scroll, let's just scroll up about April 1st somewhere. Let's see, I think we're around April 1st right here, guys, for the March, right here, April 1st right here. We had a total of 19 wins, 8 losses, 70% win ratio, always a 30 pip stop loss, 70% win ratio for a total net of 1,194 pips, guys. 1,194 pips for potential pips that month. Now, did we get all 1,100 of those pips? Of course not. But each one of those 19 wins went 20 pips. You should have made some money. We can take this all the way back to when we first started. It would take me a while, guys, to get it all the way back to when we first started. But what I'm trying to show you is every single trade idea that we have done for the past 8 months is in here. Every trade is in here, right? We'll mark it up first where it is, and then we'll find it later, to see what that trade actually did. Here we go. Your ship hit our TP, right? So every single trade is verified from 8 months. Not going to go all the way back, but every single trade that we've taken. And again, guys, over the past 8 months, over close to 8,000 pips, roughly 1,000 potential pips every single month, guys. Part of the package comes. You get this as part of the package. Also, part of your membership, everyone, is we have our charts group. This is the top-down analysis portion where we actually go in and show you how to mark up charts. Strictly trading structure, guys. Trading support resistance. A lot of people say they can't trade in consolidation, but we know the market consolidates the majority of the time, right? It doesn't trend as much as it consolidates. So what we do is we show you actually how to draw up structure, mark up structure, right? Let me find a good one here. We're marking up structure right here and taking the trade, right? So price came down and bounced, rejected, went up, rejected, went up. So each one of these rejections right here could have been a potential entry. Came up here, bounced, and we see what it's going to do, right? So we show you how to do this. Here's that trade again. Bounce, went up, bounce. Put in this is a buy order. Put it in. Look at the market. Look at what it did. So we teach you how to find structure, support, and resistance in the charting part. This is part of the membership, guys. What structure right here, right? Price went up, kind of faked out right there, came back to the exact same spot, went down. That could have been, that was our second rejection, so that lets us know that the resistance is holding. Price came back up to it, right? This could have been an entry for a sale right here. Boom, came down, went right back. Boom, came down for a sale, right to the trend. Now it's drawing the trend line. Came back for the sale, came back, broke the trend line right here, guys. We put in the sell order right here. And look what it did. Price is going on down, right? So we actually show you how to mark up your own charts, how to understand support, resistance, trend lines, and we have videos in our university that actually goes over this. But we do our Zooms based on this, teaching you all about structure, how to mark up your charts, right there, how to draw a trend line and a correct trend line, guys. Again, part of the membership this is the manual trading portion of it. Now let's get to the really good part, guys, the semi-EA. We call it semi-EA because you're going to trade with management, guys. You're going to actually have to manage it, okay? But we're making it a lot easier for you. See, the EA now is designed to actually turn itself off and on during the sessions that we wanted to trade. All you have to do is close trades at the end of the sessions. Guys, the EA is kicking butt. So I made this next little clip video for my Discord group last week for the end of the week to show the results. Sit back and watch this one. Hey guys, I just want to shoot this quick video to show you some of the results that we've been having, since we've made the change. We told you we were working on some changes right now to the EA as far as having the times of when it trades. We understand that, like during the London session, London pairs run, and London and New York sessions are generally the same pairs, but they push different ways. So London session, we're trying right now running the EA at 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Eastern in the morning, and then shutting it off at 2 p.m. Eastern. In the afternoon, shutting it off and closing out trades. Now, how we've been testing it now for about a week and a half, and as you can see the results right here so far just today, how we've been testing it is, again, turning it on at 1 a.m. and letting the London trades run, and then around 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning in that area, close out every trade, win, lose, or draw, profit or not, close it out, and then let the New York session run, when it runs, and then close out those trades about 2 p.m. Eastern, everything. We don't have to worry about market changeover at 5 because we'll be done for the day. And that's the best time to trade, guys, London through New York, and be done, around after New York, because the market slows down and starts to reverse. So guys, this is the results that we've been having on it, we close out the trades after London and close out the trades after the New York session. Now, I did mention that we're doing trainings on how to pass prop firm challenges with the EA and manual trading. Right here, this is my EA path. This is my EA right here on a 10K, my Forex funds trading challenge right here. As you can see, with just minimal management as far as closing out trades during the sessions. I'm up $259 and I still got 26 days to go. I got to make $800, so I should end this trade. I should finish this one by this week, end of this week. And remember, this is the EA doing this right here, guys. Now this is manual trading, passing the second phase of the 100K challenge, guys. Manual trading. Okay, we just passed that. So we actually just going to be teaching people how to pass the prop firm challenges with the EA and with manual trading. We know everybody's excited about prop firm challenges, so let's get it. Let's trade other people's money. Now we know we got beginner traders, intermediate traders, and advanced traders, but we have a university right here too, guys. So if you miss a training or if you don't understand something, we have videos in here that can help you. Support resistance trend lines, identifying trends, trade management, risk reward, how to identify trade setups. This is all part of that manual trading right here. Teach you top-down analysis. It's called top-down analysis, and this is everything right here that you need to know, that you'll have access to this once you get a membership, guys. We have the complete total trading package. All right, really quick, let's recap. Didn't mean for this video to go this long, but guys, I just want to show you everything that you get with your membership for $150 a month. Again, the signals alone worth the membership, the EA alone worth the membership, but you're going to get training on top-down analysis, you're going to get training on structure, you're going to get training on how to use the EA, taking signals from the EA and from our top chart master, Mr. Eric B. So to recap, this is what you're getting with your membership, guys. The weekly training Zooms, because we want you to stay informed. We want you to actually learn this core principles of trading. Learn this skill set, everyone. Join our, click on the link right below this video. Get in that Telegram group for the next 2 weeks. Take the signals, guys. Take the signals. See how it works for you. We're so excited. All right, really quick, let's recap. Didn't mean for this video to go this long, but guys, I just want to show you everything that you get with your membership for $150 a month. Again, the signals alone worth the membership, the EA alone worth the membership, but you're going to get training on top-down analysis, you're going to get training on structure, you're going to get training on how to use the EA, taking signals from the EA and from our top chart master, Mr. Eric B. So to recap, this is what you're getting with your membership, guys. The weekly training Zooms, because we want you to stay informed. We want you to actually learn this core principles of trading. Learn this skill set, everyone. Join our, click on the link right below this video. Get in that Telegram group for the next 2 weeks. Take the signals, guys. Take the signals. See how it works for you. We're so excited.